Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, we were going to learn how to compute monthly salary from annual salary. So, let's get started. For our problem number 1, Rica is a public senior high school teacher in La Union. She earns an annual salary of 384,000 pesos. She budgets carefully each month and allocates 30% of her salary to savings. How much is Rica's monthly salary and how much does she save each month? So dito guys, given yung annual salary ni Rica which is 384,000. Tama? So pinapa-compute sa atin magkano raw yung kanyang monthly salary. So to do that, alam naman natin in 1 year meron tayong 12 months. Tama? So ibig sabihin, to solve for the monthly salary, just divide the annual salary, which is 384,000 pesos, i-divide natin by 12 para ma-compute yung ating monthly salary. So that is 32,000 pesos. Okay, so ito ngayon yung monthly salary ni Rica. Okay? And then, sabi sa problem, she allocates 30% of her salary to savings. So, ang pinapa-compute sa atin, how much does she save each month? So, compute natin yung kanyang monthly savings. So, that is 30% ng kanyang monthly salary. Okay? So, 30% of 32,000, that is 0.30 times 32,000 pesos. So, ang monthly savings ni Rica is 9,600 pesos. Okay, naintindihan ba guys kung paano natin kinompute yung kanyang monthly salary tsaka savings? Next, let's proceed to our problem number 2. Maya is an insurance agent in Tagaytay City. She earns 10% commission on every policy she sells. In 1 month, she sold policies worth 500,000 pesos in total. She also receives a monthly allowance of 5,000 pesos. What is Maya's total monthly earnings? So dito guys, naka-commission rate si Maya, no? So sabi dito, si Maya is merong 10% commission rate. Okay, so isolve natin yung kanyang commission. So ang total sales ni Maya is 500,000 pesos. So that is 10% of 500,000. Okay, ito yung kanyang commission rate. Then ito naman yung kanyang total sales. Okay, so 10% that is 0.10 times 500,000. So ang commission ni Maya is 50,000 pesos. Okay, ngayon, to solve for her total monthly earnings, ang gagawin nyo lang, i-add natin yung kanyang commission doon sa kanyang monthly allowance na 5,000. So, total earnings, 50,000 pesos plus the allowance, which is 5,000 pesos. So, ang total earnings ni Maya is 55,000 pesos. Okay? Nasundan ba guys? Next, problem number 3. Stephen is a home-based swimmer in Laguna. He is paid 35 pesos per face mask sewn. In average, he completes 80 masks per day. He works 25 days a month and he plans to save 40% of his income for buying a new sewing machine. What is Stephen's monthly income and how much does he save in a month? So dito guys, si Stephen meron siyang daily income. Okay, kung saan naka-base, depende sa natatapos niyang face mask. Okay, so binabayaran siya 35 pesos per face mask sewn. Tama? On the average, ang natapos niya is 80 masks per day. So ibig sabihin, to solve for his daily income, just multiply the 80 masks times dun sa kanyang rate, which is 35 pesos. Tama? So 80 times 35, that is 2,800 pesos. Ito ngayon yung daily income ni Stephen. Okay, ngayon pwede na nating ma-solve yung kanyang monthly income kasi yun yung pinaka main problem natin eh. what is Stephen's monthly income? So, based on the problem, he works 25 days a month. So, ibig sabihin, yung daily income natin na 2,800, ita-times lang natin kay 25. Tama? So, 2,800 times 25, that is 70,000 pesos. Ito ngayon, guys, yung monthly income ni Stephen. Okay? So, bukod dito, guys, we are asked to solve his savings. Sabi dito, how much does he save in a month? Okay? So, based on the problem, nagsasave si Stephen ng 40%. Okay? So, for his savings, just multiply the 40% to his monthly income, which is 70,000. So, ang 40%, that is 0.40 times 70,000. So, ang savings ni Stephen ay 28,000 pesos. Okay, naintindihan ba guys kung paano mag-compute ng monthly salary from annual salary? And that's it for our lesson today. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions or clarifications, just drop a comment below. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!